8th class student, exercise 10A. Question number 2. 2 is find the selling price. When first part is CP is equal to cost price, mean 1650 rupees, and gain is equal to 4%. We find the SP. SP is equal to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into CP. That is, to find the SP is formula. 100 is 100, gain percent is equal to 4, close the bracket, 100 into CP is 1650 plus is 104 upon 100 into 1650. 0 cut by 0, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja, and 5 3 ja. 2 divided by 104 is 52. After multiply 30 2 ja 66. 6 carries 165. 33 5 ja 165, and 6 171. 1716 rupees will be our SP. The selling price will be 1760 rupees. First part is complete. Second part is CP second part is CP our is 950 rupees. Gain is equal to 606 whole 2 upon 3%. You may be right. 6 3 ja 3 6 ja 18 plus 2 is 20 upon 3%. Formula is SP is equal to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into Cp, that is formula. Put the value Cp and gain. Gain is 100 plus 20 upon 3 upon 100. Cp value is 915 rupees. Simplify the 100 plus 20 upon 3. To take the LCM, into 915, 100 it is same. You can solve 100 upon 1, 20 upon 3. LCM is 3. 300 plus 20. 320 upon 3. Write in brackets 320 upon 3. Next line 3 goes into denominator. 100 into maybe into 3. 320 into 915. Cutting by 3. 3 3 is 9. 0 5. 0 divided by 0. 5 divided by 5. 6 and 1 5 2 and 2 divided by 16. After 16 and 61 multiply. 16 1 16. 1 carry 97. SP is our 976. The selling price is 976 rupees. Second part is complete. Third part is loss. You write the in place of gain loss. Third part SP is CB is 8,875 rupees and loss is equal to 12%. Let be solved. At first write the formula. SP is equal to 100 plus 4 gain is plus, loss is minus, loss percent upon 100. Put the value. CP is 875. 100 minus, loss is 12 upon 100. After minus 88 into 875 upon 100. Divide by 5. 5 2 is 10 and 0. 5 1 is 5. 3 7 37. 5 7 is and 5. 5 4 is 5 3 and 5 is 5 3 is 15. 2 25. 4 divided by 88. 4 2 8, 4 2 8. After multiply 35 and 22, 35 2 ja 70, 35 2 ja 70 and 770 rupees. Our SP, the selling price will be 770 rupees. Third part is complete. Fourth part is fourth part is fourth part CP hour 645 rupees. This time loss is 13 whole 1/3%. You may be right. 3 13 ja 39 plus 1 is 40. 40/3%. We find the SP 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. 100 in 100 minus loss is 40/3 into CP is 645. 100 it is same. After minus 100 and 645 it is same. You can solve this type. 100/1 minus 40/3. LCM is 3. 300 minus 40 minus after minus 260/3. 260/3. 3 reached the denominator. 100 into maybe 3. 260 into 6. 145. 0 divided by 0. 5 2 ja 10. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. 5 9 ja 45. 2 divided by 26 is 13. 3 divided by 6 4 ja and 3 ja. After cutting is 43 multiplied by 13. SP will be 13 3 ja 39. 3 carry 13 4 ja 52 and 3 with carry is 55. Selling price our will be 559 rupees. Second question is complete. Thank you.